Module 10. Crypto words to know. Crypto. Crypto is a collection of binary data intended to function as a means of trade. Individual coin ownership records are recorded in a digital ledger, which is a computerized database that uses strong encryption to safeguard transaction records, regulate the creation of extra coins, and verify coin ownership transfers. Blockchain. A blockchain is a growing collection of documents known as blocks that are connected together via encryption. Each block includes a cryptographic hash of the preceding block, as well as a timestamp and transaction data generally represented as a Merkle tree. The timestamp demonstrates that the transaction data existed at the moment the block was released in order to be included in its hash. Decentralized. Decentralized, also known as decentralization, is the process by which an organization's functions, particularly those involving planning and decision-making, are disseminated or delegated away from a centralized, authoritative place or group. DeFi. Decentralized finance, DeFi, provides financial tools without the use of middlemen like brokerages, exchanges, or banks. Instead, it employs blockchain-based smart contracts. People can use DeFi platforms to lend or borrow money from others, bet on asset price fluctuations with derivatives, trade cryptocurrencies, insure against risks, and earn interest in savings accounts. DApp. A decentralized application is one that may run independently on a decentralized computing, blockchain system, often through the use of smart contracts. DApps, like regular programs, provide some purpose or benefit to their users. NFT. A non-fungible token, NFT, is a non-transferable unit of data that is held on a blockchain, which is a type of digital ledger. Digital files such as images, films, and music are examples of NFT data units. NFTs vary from blockchain cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin since each token is uniquely identified. Token. Tokens are coin-like items that are used instead of coins. Token coins are token money, and the field of token coins is part of exonomia. Tokens have a denomination that is either indicated or suggested by their size, color, or form. Coin. A coin is a compact, flat, spherical piece of metal or plastic that is typically used as a means of exchange or legal money. To ease commerce, they are standardized in weight and manufactured in huge quantities at a mint. They are often issued by the government. Images, numbers, or writing are frequently found on coins. Protocol. Protocol is a set of rules that allows two or more entities in a communication system to send data using any variation of a physical quantity. The protocol specifies the communication rules, syntax, semantics, and synchronization, as well as various error recovery mechanisms. Smart contract. A smart contract is a computer program or a transaction protocol that is designed to execute, control, or document legally significant events and activities in accordance with the conditions of a contract or agreement. Staking. Staking can be thought of as a less resource-intensive alternative to mining. It entails storing funds in a cryptocurrency wallet in order to ensure the security and functioning of a blockchain network. Staking, in a nutshell, is the act of locking cryptocurrency in order to obtain benefits. Proof of work. Proof of work, POW, is a type of cryptographic proof in which one party shows to another that a certain amount of computing effort has been done. Verifiers can then validate this expense with little effort on their behalf. Proof of stake. Proof of stake, POS, is a type of blockchain consensus method that works by selecting validators in proportion to their holdings of the linked cryptocurrency. This is done to avoid the computational costs associated with proof-of-work techniques. Private crypto wallet. This wallet enables users to send and receive Bitcoin, as well as other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Dash, Litecoin, Monero, and Scash. You may also use this wallet to convert Bitcoin for fiat currencies like as USD, EUR, GBP, JPY, RUB, CNY, and others. Private wallet may also be used to keep personal files safe from unauthorized access. It can secure your financial information by acting as a digital wallet. Public crypto wallet. This wallet is compatible with both iOS and Android devices. It is also compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. It comes with an HTML5 wallet, SMS for transferring cryptocurrency funds, encrypted QR codes for sending and receiving cryptocurrency funds, safe transmission and recovery, and the possibility to utilize numerous wallets. This wallet has been enhanced with security safeguards that will not interfere with users' access to their funds. Private key. Private key functions as a type of key, a PIN or password that we must not divulge to anybody since it grants us the ability to spend the bitcoins contained in an address. As a result, the owner of the private key will be the owner of the money and have complete control over them. Centralized Exchange. Centralized exchanges are online marketplaces where you may purchase and sell cryptocurrencies. They are the most often used method for investors to purchase and sell Bitcoin holdings. The employment of an intermediary or a third party to assist carry out transactions is referred to as centralization in the centralized exchange. Both buyers and sellers have confidence in this broker's ability to manage their investments. Decentralized Exchange. A decentralized exchange is a peer-to-peer marketplace that links cryptocurrency buyers and sellers. Decentralized platforms are non-custodial, which implies that when a user transacts on a decentralized platform, they retain possession of their private keys. In the absence of a centralized authority, decentralized exchanges use smart contracts, which execute automatically under predefined conditions and record every transaction on the blockchain. Volatility. Volatility is a phrase that relates to price swings or the variety of price trajectories. The price of an asset is considered to be particularly volatile if it fluctuates a lot and very fast. Technical analysis. Technical analysis is a sort of stock market analysis that analyses price movements or market activity, primarily via the use of charts and indicators based on asset prices, in order to predict, with more certainty, changes in market structure. The seed phrase. A seed phrase is a string of words that will allow you to access the coins linked to your wallet. This string of words is given to you when you wish to customize your wallet, and you must write them down in the sequence given. Peer-to-peer. This is a type of payment or currency transfer in which the transfer is made directly between two parties without the need of a third party, example, a bank or third party. Mining. Mining is a primary sector economic activity when it comes to mineral extraction, and an energy sector economic activity when it comes to fossil fuel extraction. It is represented by the exploitation or extraction of minerals that have collected as deposits in the soil and subsoil, depending on the type of mineral that is being extracted. Metaverse. A metaverse is a network of three-dimensional virtual environments focusing on social interaction. In science fiction and fantasy, the word is frequently used to represent a hypothetical iteration of the Internet as a single, worldwide virtual environment made possible by the usage of virtual and augmented reality headsets. Crypto auditing. Crypto auditing are new portable auditing tools that enable users to locate, examine, and test the concealed secret keys for a cryptocurrency account. Crypto audit is a flexible new function that can be used to search and audit numerous services, apps, and websites, as well as to validate the original legitimacy of the user's credentials. Locked liquidity. Locked liquidity ensures that the fund will have an assured supply of accessible liquidity, sufficient to fulfill redemptions, and that the trades that support the sale will be completed on time. FUD. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt are all employed as propaganda in sales, marketing, public relations, politics, polls, and cults. FUD is a tactic for influencing perception by circulating unpleasant, doubtful, or incorrect information, and it is a manifestation of the fear appeal. FOMO. Fear of missing out is the concern that one is either not aware of or is missing out on knowledge, events, experiences, or life decisions that may improve one's life. HODL. HODL is a phrase used by cryptocurrency investors who refuse to sell their cryptocurrency regardless of whether the price is rising or falling. It is most commonly used during a bear market when consumers refuse to sell their coins despite a reduction in price. Whales. Whales are huge investors or organizations with a lot of money and a lot of cryptocurrencies that want to sway the market in their favor. Their efforts, like conventional investors in current markets, erupt at a specific point to move the price in the desired direction. Rug pull. In the cryptocurrency business, rug pull occurs when a development team abruptly abandons a project and sells or eliminates all of its liquidity. Bull market. A bull market is a condition in the stock market in which most financial assets are rising. Bear market. A bear market is a stock market condition in which the majority of financial assets are declining, and in which investors are not optimistic about a recovery. Market cap. Market capitalization is the total market value of a company's shares. It's sometimes shortened as CHAP. Market. Market capitalization is a straightforward method for determining a company's size and assessing the risk of investing in its shares. Conclusion. In conclusion, cryptocurrency is a digital payment mechanism based on the blockchain system. Credit is sent in the form of computer code from one player to another. A cryptographically signed transaction in the blockchain documents such a transfer. Because recipients of transactions are typically simply represented by an abstract address, a type of account number, so cryptocurrencies can ideally be used pseudonymously. The transactions are watched and recorded by miners. Miners purchase the privilege to produce new blocks and grow the network with massive computational power. Successful miners are rewarded with currency units in exchange for their efforts. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ether, and Monero are still the exception when it comes to online payments. As a result, cryptocurrencies are only accepted as a payment option by a few online portals and retailers. Even offline stores, restaurants, or museums have rarely offered cryptocurrencies as an alternative means of payment. Typically, payments are made using QR codes and a digital purse, a wallet that is available on the smartphone.